Have you ever heard of Airwallex? If not, you're not alone. Airwallex is a relatively new company, but it's already making a big impact on the global financial landscape. In this video, we're going to take a look at how Airwallex makes money. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what Airwallex is. Airwallex is a fintech company that provides a range of financial services, including cross-border payments, currency exchange, and business banking. How Airwallex makes money. So, how does Airwallex make money? There are a few different ways. Foreign exchange fees. When customers use Airwallex to exchange currency, they are charged a small fee. Transaction fees. Airwallex charges a small fee for each transaction that is processed. Interest income. Airwallex earns interest on the money that it holds in its accounts. Subscription fees. Some of Airwallex's products and services are available on a subscription basis. How Airwallex compares to other fintech companies. Airwallex is not the only fintech company out there. There are a number of other companies that offer similar services. However, Airwallex has a few key advantages over its competitors. Lower fees. Airwallex typically charges lower fees than its competitors. Faster transactions. Airwallex's transactions are typically processed faster than its competitors. Better customer service. Airwallex has a reputation for providing excellent customer service. The future of Airwallex. Airwallex is a relatively new company, but it has already achieved a lot. The company is well positioned to continue to grow and innovate in the years to come. Airwallex is a fintech company that is making a big impact on the global financial landscape. The company offers a range of financial services, including cross-border payments, currency exchange, and business banking. Airwallex makes money by charging fees for its services, earning interest on the money that it holds in its accounts, and collecting subscription fees. Thank you for watching.